Today, I want to go over my portable sharpening kit. Before we get into this, let's get a weight on it. This kit lives inside of my backpack, so pretty much anywhere I am, I have an option for sharpening knives. 13.7 ounces is the total. So it's not too bad. Comes in at under a pound. Let's see what we can get for that weight. Now there's plenty of room to expand. I don't have anything in this front pocket. It's a very simple, very basic kit. Now I'll carry a lot of traditional knives and carbon steel along with moderns. So I need a couple of different means of sharpening. So one means of sharpening, or I should say honing and maintaining, is a Spyderco double stuff. This is a ceramic stone. It's got a coarser gray and a finer white. So this will maintain your knives without taking a lot of metal off like you would with a sharpening stone. And then the next thing I have is a diamond sharpening stone. This is 400 grit on this side and 1000 on the other. So this is pretty good for sharpening. If you get a knife dull, you use the 400, or to maintain, you can use the 1000. This is great on your more modern super steels, and this is great on your older traditional knives. This is an oiler pen. It's got a cap with an O-ring to keep it sealed, a needle tip, and this is great for getting down inside close to the pivot so you can lube up your knives and keep them running smoothly. Here I have 3 pieces of leather. And on this leather I have 4, 8, and 16 micron Bark River CBN. This works great as the final step on your blades. I don't do a lot of stropping, but just a few passes on each side to clean it up after it comes off the 1000 grit diamond stone, and you will have a beautiful edge on your modern super steels. I have a little titanium screwdriver with bits in here. I have a T6, 8, and 10 in there, along with a few other bits. So this will let me do any kind of knife maintenance that may be needed, whether it's tightening a pivot or a pocket clip, even total disassembly of a knife. In this side is a folded up piece of paper, just great for sharpness testing. And then a microfiber cloth for cleaning. This is just a little block of my leather conditioner. This is good for a lot of things. This will treat your leather slips, your micarta or wood covers on your knives. You can even use a little bit of this in the pivot of a slip joint. You get it down between the spring and the blade, and this will really smooth out the action of a knife. Then the last thing I have in here is an eraser. And what this eraser is specifically for is it's great for cleaning up your ceramics and getting some of the metal out of the pores. It's also good for getting things off of your knives. So that's my basic kit. I've pared it down quite a bit from what it was, but yet it's pretty inclusive. You can do just about anything there is as far as knife maintenance goes, caring for your knives and your leather sheaths or slips that you use to carry your knives in. So it's a pretty complete and pretty inclusive kit, and this small Maxpedition pouch, and all at a lightweight. We'll see you on the next one.